This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Poco M6 Pro is the 5G model and that you have a carrier plan with 5G access. Once done, install the latest MIUI and carrier updates because they deliver radios and bands. Next, power off, insert the 5G-capable SIM in the primary slot, and boot. Make sure mobile data is enabled. Open settings so you can switch networks. This short prep prevents wasted steps and gets you ready to enable 5G immediately. Now you configure network mode and bands. Go to Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks, and select the active SIM. Choose preferred network type as 5G/4G/3G/2G auto, so the phone can use NR when available. This forces compatibility across areas. Then verify APN settings match your carrier. Incorrect APN can block data. If your carrier supports specific bands, use Field Test or a band scanner app to confirm the phone's connecting band and ensure optimal signal. Finish by optimizing and testing. Run a speed test on 5G only to verify throughput, then switch back to auto for battery balance. Enable adaptive battery and check for MIUI power profiles to avoid aggressive background limits that drop 5G sessions. If you see no 5G, toggle airplane mode. If still failing, reset network settings to refresh carrier provisioning. As a last step, document your MA and contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning must be enabled on their side for NR to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.